Can you keep your number when switching to T-Mobile? Yes, you can absolutely keep your current phone number when switching to T-Mobile. This feature is called number porting, and wireless carriers are legally required to release your number to a new provider. To ensure a seamless transition without losing your phone number or experiencing service downtime, you simply have to, first of all, gather your current account details. Then initiate the transfer with the T-Mobile by going to the official T-Mobile website. Now all you have to do is download the T-Life application and select your desired cellular plan and choose the option to keep my existing number during the checkout process. Then provide the account details and also proceed to monitor the activation window. It usually finishes in 10 to 2 hours for mobile phones. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.